Yeah, massive. Once a blessed love and welcome. We hope so everybody are doing well, you see? Yeah, man. So once give thanks to all the people them who subscribe and I watch the video them and them kind of things, you see it? And I engage in the comment section, you see it? I don't take nothing for granted and I just want to show my gratitude same way it is at the same time, you see it? So yeah. So we just want to give a little follow up and a little update on the Chucky vibration. Seeing? Cause we see it say, yeah, in cousin come out and him a show say, yeah, the candlelight ceremony when it was wonderful and people turn out and people come out and show their respect and them love and them kind of things. They see it and for that more I say, yeah man, it's a good look, you see it, and all the people them would get the chance to turn out. Yeah, it's a nice thing that. Seeing? But me say I think I go and see him way around the whole accident vibration where we see a whole heap of speculation a come out and people are point fingers all over the place and people are make some wild kind of accusation and them kind of thing. They see it and it look like the conspiracy theory or the conspiracy argument, it start to get out of proportion, in my opinion still. Seeing cause the cousin say the whole thing is being treated as an accident.
Now, with Chucky now, guys, the police are still on the case. The police are putting in the work. They haven't given us any they haven't told us anything new, but they are putting in the work. So we just have to wait on them to do what they are doing, and as well as we are waiting on the autopsy, guys. So the autopsy might take longer than we would like it to take. Reason being, what happened to Chucky is classified as an accident, and in Jamaica there is not a lot of what they call them, those kind of people that do the post-mortem, mortician or whatever. There's not a lot of, I think it's 1 or 2 mortician in the whole Jamaica, guys. So for the funeral and the setup where we all gather, friends and family gather and pay our respect before the funeral, those things we have to wait on the autopsy and the police to finish their work and stuff like that for us to proceed.
Seeing? And as far as how things is at the moment, or how things are at the moment, we have to just allow the authorities to do their job, you see it, and allow them to do their investigation. Seeing, cause the cousin said the police them will do them investigation and it is being treated as an accident. Seeing? So some wild speculation where me see people are saying, you understand, some of them just kind of distasteful same way still, you see? And I see people who come out and claim say them are Simon supporter. Seeing, me still see people come out and say some mean things about the Ras. And you understand, some people for just allow the man make the man have little dignity in that differently still, you see? Some people for have manners differently still, man, and just know them place and you understand, just allow the negativity, man. You see, just allow the thing make the man have some dignity in that and you understand. No bother with the negative comment them in the comment section and you understand. People are go as far as call the man ungrateful and I say if he might still I do work with Simon, certain things wouldn't happen, and all kind of bullcrap of people I say, is it? Yeah, man. So people follow off of them things are differently still, is it? Yeah. Give man like a dignity in that. And that may I upon that differently still. I say where people are question whether a conquer should then come out and say something or whatever, you see it, but you understand. To each his own, you know. I understand say people are grieve at the moment and people want answers and people are seek clarities, you see it, and them kind of things that we drive people for question things, and that's some line where, you understand? No line they're supposed to drop on and that you see it, and you understand the whole thing. Cause we can't tell no one how to grieve same way too. Seeing, and even though the Ras is a public figure and him introduce us to a conquer through the union there, you see it? And she became somewhat a public figure same way. But she's a private person within her own space same way too, and we don't know how she take this whole thing, and me don't know if now at the right time for her to come out and, you understand, blabber and say all kind of things. Cause people already make some little negative talk towards her and make some blame towards her where she probably not have nothing to do with nothing at all. But you understand, somehow people still point fingers. You understand? But one I think what I really want to talk on still is the fact say more time some people come with some camera and them stick a camera in front of your face. And all of them have no kind of positive or good agenda behind it. And you see when time you and your loved ones in a no kind of misunderstanding or misstep or quarrel or however we want to label it as. We not fi make no decision when we there in the heat we emotion. Cause when time we make some decision in the heat we emotion, more time people say things where them regretting at the end. And people might even say things where them not get a chance for come back and say, really, me sorry and me did make a mistake with saying the things them what me say. See? I may have said that for say this differently still. Me really hope say Chucky daughter did get a chance to make amends with her father. And all her reasoning with her father and show her father say she won't regret saying some of the things them what Simon did have her accept on the internet. You understand? Cause me see her cousin I say she really take it bad and she a cry, and you understand, me couldn't just imagine that.
And guys, Chucky's daughter, Tizzy, I'm telling you guys, she's not taking it easy, guys. This has hit her super hard. I'm telling you. This has hit her super hard. A lot of people is wondering why she has not come. She's going to come on my channel. We're going to sit down and explain everything. We're just waiting on the police and the autopsy. But she's going to come on the channel, guys. But she's really hurt. She cries every single day.
And me just want to send out my condolences to them once again, seeing way too, and I hope that she can find some kind of solace in herself. Because sometimes when we're there in our emotional state, we blare out and we say some things. Them things they have a way to come back on, aren't we? You see it? Because them vibration they when time when you put them out in the internet or in the universe, them out there and then stay. So we have to be careful of the things them what we say when time a camera stick in front of our face and we want to get in a some kind of tirade and we want to make some speech where unfavorable. Because your father make a decision, you know. And irregardless of you liking the decision where your father make, yes or no, you shouldn't think before you say certain things. Because I know everybody have a good agenda one time. Then walk around and have a camera and stick that in front of your face. You understand? And I see it say, public shaming is the order of the day. You see me I say? So the agenda was to bring certain kind of public shame to your old man. And them use you to do the dirty work and leave it out there, you know. You understand? And leave you in the pain. Seeing? But as me say, me just hope say you did make amend with your old man still. And you and him, you understand? Chop it up and everything went good and him understand say probably I went just out of rage or you understand? You say certain things. Seeing? And for the wise ones them who they watch all them things that we want to just implore the one them say, for just think wise. Seeing? Calculate the words where you know say to each other or say about each other. Cause words carry energy and you understand? Energy vibration it affect people whether upon one spiritual, one mental, or even one physical sense. Seeing so we have to be wise and you understand? Know how we deal with each other cause some people out there and them have them agenda and them only can use people who them feel like as a credible for bring certain kind of you understand public shame to some people where you understand don't even deserve it. You understand? And them go find it hard to come back and say they're sorry and them kind of things. You see it? Yeah, so the cousins still I say no funeral plans and them kind of things they no manifest yet cause according to Wyma say them need to do an autopsy. Seeing? I hear him say in the video say them not have enough mortician in Jamaica, but me think say what I mean to say is that them not have enough pathologists in Jamaica to do the autopsy. Seeing so them have to wait on the pathologist to do the autopsy and then they get the report so then can know what is the cause of death and you understand the whole thing. Yeah man, so we want to give thanks to all our people who give the listening ears and I want to implore the people again say careful of the fingers where they point and make we don't bring this thing in a one whole conspiracy theory and make it look like I say the Ras passing is a public spectacle. You see it? So make the man have some dignity in that to the people who they comment in a comment section them and say some little negative things and ease off of them things. You see it? Yeah man, allow the man make him man get some dignity man. Seeing? And stop pointing the fingers upon this a person and blame that the person there and all that. You see it? Make we just wait upon the police report and allow the police them to do them investigation and make we just hope for the best and as me say, make we live positive for the rest and keep the whole things in a one positive order as how the rest of them love to have it. And as how we remember the rest. Seeing? So I want to say give thanks to the moment and give thanks to all our people who they tune in and subscribe. So I want to say if you like the video, just go and click the like icon same way. You can share it with your friend them same way. You understand? And you can comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think, and you understand? Once a condolence to the family once more. And blessed love. Rastafari, give thanks.